Okay, this video is for project number 4, aka the input challenge for microbit. First off, if we scroll down to resources you'll need, okay, we can click here, which will then bring us to a microbit. And then also you can open the input challenge, which is also right there. Something else you will need is under your particular day, you can open up the slideshow as well. Okay, so you should have this, and this open. Okay, first off, what you're going to want to do is come through here. Okay, so if we've had the normally if we had the physical microbits, we could be able to press A and B or A, B at the same time, and it would display something on the screen. For this, we will just do it virtually. Okay, where we'll still be able to press the button and it'll show something, but we'll just have to click it instead. Okay, so first you want to do is you want to open a new project and name it class input practice. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. New project, class input practice. Click create. Okay, right off the bat, we don't actually need the on start, so we can delete it as well as the forever. Okay, if you look at this, on button A pressed. Okay, it's its own little start type function. Okay, and then we're going to bring in a show LEDs and make a smiley face. Okay, so if we do that under input, click, drag it and drop it. Under basic, click, drag it, drop it. Make your little smiley face, or whatever face you want to make. Okay. Notice nothing shows up over here, but when we push A, it does. Okay. Next, it's going to say on the same project, create a different face to display when button B is pressed. Okay, so we're going to bring in input, bring another one of these in. If you notice, it turns yellow because we already have an A, so we have to click and change it to B. Under basic, bring in another show LEDs. This time let's make some other face. Let's make, I don't know, a sad face. Okay. Again, nothing automatically shows up, so we push A and then B. Okay. Now we want to figure out how to clear it. Okay, so it says add to your code so AB displays the character or clears the screen away. First we'll show you clearing it. Okay, here's an example. We can show LEDs with nothing. Otherwise, I'll show you a different way. Bring this in, change it to AB. If you notice, nothing's in here, right? So if I click B and then try to clear it, nothing's going to work. Okay, so I have to put something in there. So it's either going to be just a basic one with nothing, so then when I click it, nothing shows up. Or if you go to basic, click clear screen, it'll do the same thing. Okay, so A smile, B frown, AB clear. Okay, and that is your in-class challenge. Okay, next it says during asynchronous time, you're going to have the input challenge. Okay, so opening this, you're going to click open project, title it input challenge, and then your name. For this, you're going to create a character completely different than what we did. Okay, so either an animal, person, word, something else you can think of. When you push A, also add a pause and a show string function, either under the show LEDs or show icon. Okay, so I don't care if you use this or the show icon, doesn't matter. Then for B, you're going to do it all over again, just with a different character, person, something. Okay. Then it says make it so button AB clears away the screen. You can either clear it, or you can just add a third like character. I don't really care. Okay. Here's an example without AB. As it says, please do not copy this. But you can see, if I were to push A, this face would pop up, pause for 500 milliseconds, and then show the word boo. B, show this face, pause for the same amount, and then show the word ah. Right? Kind Halloween themed. Okay, and then you would also want to add AB to do something different. Okay, so that is going to be your input challenge, aka number 4. Okay, remember, once you're done, you click share, make sure it's named what you want, publish, copy, and put it within that assignment that is called Microbit Projects.